Why do some students love math while others dread it? Why does one teacher make history come alive while another puts the whole class to sleep? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're talking about educational psychology, the science of how people learn, how teachers teach, and what actually motivates students to study. How people learn. Educational psychology looks at the learning process itself. Some theories say we learn best by practice and reinforcement, like training your brain the way athletes train their muscles. Others emphasize social learning. We pick up knowledge and behavior by watching others. That's why group study sessions can sometimes feel more effective than just reading alone, unless, of course, everyone ends up scrolling memes instead. Teaching methods. Good teaching isn't just dumping information. It's about engaging the mind. Psychologists study methods like active learning, where students do activities instead of just listening; differentiated instruction, tailoring lessons for different abilities and learning styles; constructivism, letting students build knowledge through experience. Basically, the best teachers don't just transfer facts, they spark curiosity. Student motivation. Now here's the golden question. What actually motivates students? Some are driven by extrinsic motivation, rewards like grades, certificates, or maybe pizza after exams. Others thrive on intrinsic motivation, the pure satisfaction of learning something new. Psychologists suggest that combining both, encouragement plus genuine interest, creates the strongest learning outcomes. Why it matters. Educational psychology helps schools design better teaching strategies, but it also helps students understand themselves. If you know your learning style and what motivates you, you can study smarter, not harder. So here's the takeaway. Learning isn't one size fits all. By understanding educational psychology, teachers can teach better, and students can unlock their full potential. And speaking of unlocking, in our next episode, we'll step into the world of forensic psychology, exploring crime, law, and the mysterious workings of the criminal mind. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't, and remember, learning how you learn might be the most powerful lesson of all.